Today we're going to be removing the engine air filter on a 2018 Toyota Rav4. First thing you want to do, locate the engine air filter, which is right here on the upper right hand side of the engine. There's two clips you have to unclick here. And then it just opens up kind of like a clamshell here. And you pull out the engine air filter right here. As you can tell, this is pretty dusty. We've got the new filter here. All you do, then you'll just want to slide the new filter in. Make sure it's got a good seal. You want to make sure here on the bottom that these go back in. As you can see, they're matching there. One in the back is in as well. Push down, get the clamps back on. And you're all set. Quick repair, help you save a bunch of money at the dealership. I believe they usually charge around $100 or so for this type of repair. Something you can easily do at home.